channel. We've got our magical Kenya on display.
Let's
all right, okay, thank you so much. As we get ready for the start of the Safari Rally, I'll now hand over to Mike. It's raining. All right, so as we have the president up here on the ramp, along with John Todd, Dr. Amina Mohammed, thank you, Phineas Kimathi, the CEO of the Safari Rally. We will start off by having the national anthem of the Republic of Kenya. All right, as we await, we're just about to get underway. The first car will get in. Will start at 12:46 p.m. That is the start of the first car. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2021 WRC Safari Rally. And on the ramp we have from Kenya, on Karai, and Drew Sturrock. And they will be driving in the P3 category, that's priority 3 category. They're driving a VW Polo GTI and part of the all-conquering Menengai team. So flanked by His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta, who is also the patron of the Safari Rally. We really appreciate, of course, your support right from the beginning when you said the Safari Rally will return to the WRC, and today that dream is true. Many years of preparation, the COVID pandemic, but finally it's come down to today, the 24th of June 2021, and the Safari Rally getting underway. Two minutes. All right, so remember they will be going off at 2-minute intervals. 1 minute. All right, so 1 minute before they get underway.
Best of luck.
All right, so just about to get underway. Onka Rai and Drew Sturrock. Seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Okarai and Drew Sturrock as the 2021 WRC Safari Rally finally gets underway. And up next, ladies and gentlemen, it is the 5 times winner of the Safari Rally, equal with the late Shekameta, Carl Flash Tundo and Tim Jessup. So as Flash and Tim come out, one of the longest running partnerships in Kenyan motorsport. From Nakuru, Flash Tundo and Tim Jessup. And they're in the car that they won the Equator Rally in very convincingly, sponsored by Minty Motorsport and also Safaricom. Absolutely brilliant, these guys. Show them how it's done. From Nakuru, Flash Tundo and Tim Jessup. Best of luck, guys. 1 minute. This car's donated by Minty Motorsport and used to such devastating effect at the Equator Rally. Alright, go for it, guys. 30 seconds. The 5 times winner of the Safari Rally, equal with the late Shekameta. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Good luck, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're off. Carl Tundo and Tim Jessup. And up next from Poland, it is Sobislaw Zasada and Tomasz Boryslawski. Welcome to Africa from Poland. And they're competing in the priority 3. Alright. Hopefully the handbrake is on. From Poland, welcome to Kenya. Good luck, guys. Alright, 2 minutes. Alright, so from Poland, Daniel Schwitz and Camille Heller. Daniel Schwitz and Camille Heller from Poland, driving in the priority 3. Good luck, guys. Daniel Schwitz, Camille Heller from Poland. The best of luck, guys.
Sean, one question. Ask everyone a question.
30 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they're off. Daniel Schwitz and Camille Heller. Also from Poland, Sobislaw Zasada and Tomasz Boryslawski. Hi, Thomas. All right, 91 years old. As he comes out. As he says hello to the president. So having a few words with the president there. He's 91 years old. Unbelievable. Making a return to the Safari Rally. By the way, a quick fact about Jean Todt, the FIA president. He took part in the Safari in 1973, believe it or not. So as he gets into the car, he's 91 years young. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're off. 91-year-old Sobislaw Zasada and Thomas Borisnowski. Whoops. 1 or 2 hiccups. First of the Kenyan entries, the Young Driver Program. Hamza Anwar and Riaz Ismail. Alright, so as they come out to greet the President, part of the Young Driver Program, Hamza and Riaz. Well done. So this car donated by the government, and it's part of the Young Driver Program. So Hamza Anwar, the son of the legend Asad Anwar, and Riaz. Hamza, just a quick one. How was the recce for you, and what are you expecting from the safari?
Yeah, it was good. It's our first time out in this car. So yeah, we just want to keep it consistent, and we won't let Mr. President down. We're going to try our best and push our hardest.
All right, congratulations. Only 22 years old, by the way. Hamza Anwar, along with his navigator Riaz Ismail. So get ready. 30 seconds. Part of the Young Driver Program and receive so much backing. We can see from Kenya Airways, Safaricom. Hamza Anwar, Riaz Ismail. The best of luck, guys. Foot down, as they say. But also keep the car in one piece. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're off. Hamza Anwar and Riaz Ismail. And up next, also part of the Young Driver Program, is the son of the CEO, Phineas Kimathi, McRae Kimathi, and Mwangi Kioni. Yeah. All right, so as they come out to greet the President, McRae Kimathi, young McRae Kimathi, part of the Young Driver Program, along with Mwangi Kioni. All right, so they stand next to the President, and of course Sean Todd and Phineas Kimathi, McRae Kimathi, and Mwangi Kioni. All right, McRae, if we could just have a quick question. McRae, how does it feel, the WRC stage? You're actually driving in the WRC.
It feels amazing for me to drive in the WRC. I just want to thank His Excellency, the President, for bringing it back, and all the organizing committee, Mr. John Todd. And hopefully now I can become one of the WRC stars now.
Good stuff. Part of the future. All right, so congratulations as you get ready. You can go into the car now. Part of the Young Driver Program, and receiving this car with the government donation as well. So congratulations, McRae Kimathi and Mwangi Kioni. So just approaching 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Spectacular. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're off. McRae Kimathi and Mwangi Kioni. And up next, part of the Priority 2 class, it is Martin Prokop and Danik Yuruka. Alright, so as they come here, part of the P2 category. And well done, guys. So many withdrawals in this class. Alright, so they are here from the Czech Republic. Yeah. Sir Martin Prokop, who I understand also takes part in the Dakar Rally. Brilliant all-round driver. And he was quite spectacular.